class 8th. Now start with question 7. Prove x raised to power b upon a whole power b plus a minus c, x raised to power c over x raised to power b whole power c plus b minus a, x raised to power a divided by x raised to power c and whole power c plus a minus b is equal to 1. You have to solve this left hand side and you have to prove the answer is 1. So let's start with this left hand side. X raised to power b over x raised to power a, or x raised to power b by x raised to power a, or x raised to power b divided by x raised to power a. X raised to power b, x raised to power a, and there is division. When bases are same, division is there, powers will be subtracted. It will become x raised to power b minus a, and outside power is b plus a minus c. Similarly, what it will become? X raised to power c minus b, and also outside power is x c plus b minus a. It will become x raised to power a minus c, and outside power is c plus a minus b. Now we have to multiply both the powers. How we will multiply? First variable with first, then with second, then with third. Firstly multiply first with all the terms, then with second all the terms. Firstly b into b, b square, then b into a, b, b into c, b, c. Now it's the turn of minus a into b, minus a is there, so minus ab, a into a minus a square, minus a minus c, minus minus will cut in multiplication, so it will plus ac. Now next, c with c, c square, c with b, cb or bc, c with minus a, minus ac, minus b with c, minus bc, minus b with b, minus b square, minus b and minus a, that is ab positive, ac positive, ab positive. Now next, a into c, ac, a into a square, a into minus b, minus ab, minus c into c, minus c square, minus c into a, minus ac or minus ca, minus c minus b, minus minus cut, bc or c, b. Now minus ac plus ac cut, plus bc minus bc cut, plus ab minus ab cut. Bases are same and there is multiplication, so write the base only once and add all the powers. B square minus bc minus a square plus ac plus c square minus ac minus b square plus ab plus a square minus ab minus c square plus bc, plus ab minus ab cut, minus bc plus bc cut, plus ac minus ac cut, plus a square minus a square cut, positive c square negative c square cut, positive b square negative b square cut. Nothing is left. We left with x raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Now come to its next part. Second part, you have to prove it is also 1. Let's begin. X raised to power m divided by x raised to power n. Division is there, powers will be divided, m minus n, and outside power is 1 over mn. X raised to power n upon r, that is n minus r, and outside power is 1 upon nr. X raised to power r upon x raised to power m, x raised to power r minus m, and outside power is 1 upon rm. Just to write left hand side only. Now power and power will be multiplied, but it will become x raised to power, numerator to multiply with numerator, denominator is nothing, 1 you can say, so it will become m minus n upon mn, x raised to power n minus r into 1, n minus r, and downside nr denominator, and it will become x raised to power r minus m upon r m. Now bases are same, you have to add upon the pass m minus n upon mn plus n minus r upon nr plus r minus m upon rm. We cannot add these because denominators are different, so you will take LCM mn nr rm. Firstly, suppose I am going on m 1, then n, then nr will same m1. Now go on n, then it will become 1, r left. Now go on r. So what is the LCM? mn r. LCM is mn r. mn is already, so what we need to multiply? We need r, so it will be multiplied with r. mn r, n already, we need only m. mn r, we need n. And LCM is mn r. Now how to multiply? Firstly with first, then with second, so it will become rm rn mn mr nr nm or mn, same thing, upon mnr. Positive mn, negative mn, cut. nr or rn, same thing, positive negative cut. rm or mr, same thing, positive negative cut. x raised to power 0 upon mnr. When anything is divided by 0 is divided by anything, it is 0. X raised to power 0 is 1, so it is equal to right hand side. Now come to next part. It is fourth part. Firstly I will start with this third part. You have to add these two fractions, you can say, to rational numbers, you can say whatever you want to say. We have to take their LCM. It is not same. Listen, it is m minus n and it is n minus m. So take LCM, and the LCM will be 1 minus x raised to power m minus n and 1 minus x raised to power n minus m. So firstly, what we need to multiply by it is already we have, but we need only m 1 minus x raised to power m minus m. Then plus, for this we need 1 minus x raised to power m minus n. If you don't know how to take LCM, then one method I can tell you: cross multiply, and downside also multiply both denominators. Cross multiply this numerator with this numerator with this, and downside both the denominators. Now come numerals to add with numerals, or you can say constant to add with constant, variables to add with variables. 1 plus 1 I will write on one side, x raised to power m minus n, and it is negative. Then how we will multiply? First with first, then first with second. 1 into 1, 1 minus x raised to power n minus m. Now this to be multiply, minus x raised to power m minus n. Multiply by these two, then minus minus plus. How to multiply? X raised to power m minus n multiply by x raised to power. Bases are same, so powers will be added. N and n cut, m and m cut, x raised to power 0. X raised to power 0 means 1. I tell you how to multiply these two. X raised to power m minus n, x raised to power n minus m. Minus minus cut, here will come positive. Bases are same, powers will be added. When you will add the powers, positive, negative, everything will cut, and you will come out with x raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 means 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Here also 1 plus 1 is 2. Now you can say numerator and denominator both are same. So numerator and denominator cut. You come with only 1, which is equal to right hand side. come to last part. Inside power and outside power, inside power, outside power, inside power, outside power. You have to do multiply. For multiplication, I am telling you, suppose it is a minus b and a plus b. You can choose the same way also, a square, then a b, then minus ab, then minus b square. You will come out with a square minus b square. Or if you know that formula directly, then you can directly write the formula. It is one formula, a minus b and a plus b. What is the formula? Formula is a square minus b square. Similarly, b minus c, b plus c. Formula is b square minus c square. When two variables are in plus also and in minus also, same things are in plus, same things are in minus, then the formula is first square minus second square. Same things are in minus, same things are in first. Formula is first square minus second square. If you don't know the formula, please do this multiply step by step as I told you. Firstly, multiply with first, then multiply with second, then multiply with first, then multiply with second. Firstly, first number should be multiplied with all the numbers, then second number should be multiplied with all the numbers. Now bases are same. You have to add upon powers. C square positive, C square negative, cut. B square positive, B square negative, cut. A square positive, A square negative, cut. X raised to power 0, 0 means 1 equal to right hand side.